Hi, it's Raylene Froman, the Roman Froman, and I'm not roaming very far from home today. I can't wait to help you make a Mother's Day card to celebrate Mother's Day this Sunday. Mothers are so special. Let's not forget to celebrate them this Sunday. Nothing says you care like a homemade card. We put together some nice kits with all you need to make a Mother's Day card, with the exception of you need just a little bit of glue. A cheap, inexpensive glue stick will work, and maybe a pair of scissors. And remember, if you need help with scissors, please make sure that you have adult supervision. When you unpackage your kit, and they are free, so hopefully you've picked up your free kit or get in touch with me. There is a link down below where you can put your information, get in touch, and still get your kits. When you're unwrapping the kit, be sure and save the ribbon because we're going to use that in our card kit design. So save the ribbon and the card tag. In your kit, you're going to have an envelope, the card itself, and it's stamped on the back when you care enough to make it yourself. And you'll have a textured, you can fill the texture, different styles, panel here to put on it. And then there are some embellishments. So this one, for example, is a little bee. You can see there. Some kits may have birds like this that you can see. Some kits may have birds. Some have a little different style of bird. And they're all different colors and different ribbons. There's no right or wrong way, and what's really important is that you like it, and I'm sure your mom will love it. So we're going to start with the card so that it opens towards you. I'm going to do it a little bit backwards here so you can see it in the camera. And our panel. So the texture has one side that's raised and the other side that's indented. You can use either side, whatever you would like to use, whatever is your preference. Again, no right or wrong way. I'm going to just put some glue on this, and I'm going to use the glue runner. The glue stick works just as well. You can put it somewhere in your card, maybe an inch from the top, or if you want it centered, or if you even want to turn it and make the card run the other way, you're welcome to do that. It's whatever makes you happy. And then we're going to take our bee or bird, whatever's in your kit, and I'm going to just use a piece of scrap paper here to use my glue stick so I don't get it on the table. Again, each of the embellishments has a raised side and a flat side, so you can use whichever one you want it to point. I'll put a little bit of glue on this for my dollar store glue stick. Then you just place it on here anywhere that you'd like to see it. I'm going to place it a little higher on here, maybe at an angle, so that I can put some ribbon across the bottom. Then each kit has a mom, mother, mum, whatever. You can use an accent if you want to use mum. And you can also make sure that you have it pointed the right way and put a little glue on the back of it. And you can put it on the top or the bottom, whatever you would like. I'm going to glue mine down here along the bottom, try and center that. Mom. And then I'm going to use my ribbon that I used from the sack, the packaging that it came in. And you can even save the little tag that says Happy Mother's Day and put it inside and make it a bookmark or sign your name to it. I'm going to kind of measure about where this would be. Maybe I want a little yellow showing at the bottom. I'm going to clip that off. Put my glue on it. I like a little color to show on both sides. And then I'm going to trim off this edge here. Not the card, just the ribbon. So that it fits nicely on there. And then also you can make a little bow with your remaining, or there is a little bow in there, like this little white bow here, that you can put on it, and use the remaining piece of your ribbon to decorate your envelope for a matching ensemble. So maybe I want to put a little bit of ribbon across here to decorate my card for Mom. Yeah, mothers are special, aren't they? I know that my mom, we moved many times throughout the years, and she always made home our favorite destination. Set this aside. We can put this inside. We can decorate our envelope. So here's our finished product. We have a lovely card for Mom. You can write your sentiment inside, blank, and you can write whatever you want. You might write your sentiment inside, something creative like, Mom, you're always busy as a bee, but you always have time for me. Something from the heart, and I'm sure your mother will enjoy it. So here's one option of the cards. And I can show you one that we made just a little bit earlier that is in the pink, and this is one of the bird designs. So hope you have a great Mother's Day and that you get to celebrate it with your mother. Mothers are special people, and we want to let them know that we're thinking of them. Have a wonderful day. And it's the Roman Frohman, making home your favorite destination.